Hello guys, welcome to Nike Lake, Enugu State, Nigeria. Nike Lake is one of the tourist attractions we have in Enugu State. It is located at the suburb of the capital city in an area called Nike. In Nike Lake and resorts, they have so many facilities like hotel, lake, gardens, Olympic-sized swimming pool, event centers, local bars, conference centers, and so many more. So here I am inside Nike Lake. I've just entered the vicinity. That there is the hotel building. These are gardens. So I'm going to take you guys round these resorts and lake to see for yourself the beauty that exists in this Nike neighborhood of Enugu State. I am sure so many people don't know about Nike Lake, or they have been hearing about it, but they have not visited. So today we are going to tour around Nike Lake through the lenses of my camera, through the eyes of my camera. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Let's tour around Nike. This is the event center, the outdoor event center inside this Nike Lake and resorts. You can see so many gardens, so many green areas. That is how beautiful Nike Lake is. So beautiful. One of the best destinations in Enugu for me. I don't know about people, but for me, this is one of the best destinations in Enugu city and its suburb. Let's go down. I'm going to show you guys a lot of things here. Let's go down the hotel first. From the hotel, we visit the lake and other facilities that exist here in Nike Lake and resorts. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and enjoy the rest of this video. This is me at the entrance of the hotel, about to enter the hotel. Let's go right inside the hotel. Let's see this edifice. So here is the lake called Nike Lake. Here it is. Right here, the ambience, the serenity here is something else. It's out of this world. Even the breeze, the kind of air that blow here, man, nothing beats that, I'm telling you. Nike Lake is a place to be. If you have not been to Nike Lake, you are missing out a lot. You are missing a lot. Try as much as possible to visit Nike Lake anytime soon and thank me later, because you're gonna thank me for giving you info, for revealing this gem of a tourist destination to you. So try and visit Nike Lake. So let's go to the other side of the lake. Let's see how that side looks. This place is very massive, a very nice place. Just that the maintenance culture here is very low as expected. We're in Nigeria now, where things are not maintained, especially when it's in the hands of the government. They do it anyhow, just anyhow, because it's not their personal businesses, you know. But it's fine. This place still holds a lot of potentials.